If studying feels confusing or exhausting, you're doing too much. Hey, I'm CG, and I'll show you how to study smarter, not longer.
All right, let's just get right into it. We're not going to sugarcoat this. The choice you're facing is actually pretty simple. Either you kill your phone addiction or you just stay average. Seriously, there's no in between here. So I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to be brutally honest with yourself. Are you a walking disappointment? Ouch, I know. But seriously, think about it. The answer to that question is hiding in plain sight, right in how you spend your time. Okay, if that question didn't hit home, let's paint a picture. Imagine this. You're in a room and your crush is literally right there, watching you. And what are you doing? You're 40 minutes deep into a TikTok scroll. You're basically invisible, a ghost in your own life, choosing a relationship with an algorithm over a real live person. Yeah, that little scene should feel uncomfortable. It's supposed to. So you know what? Let's not run from it. Let's lean right into that feeling. It's time for a good, hard look in the mirror. Take a look at this. On one side, you've got your goals. You know, all the stuff you say you want. Getting good grades, finally getting in shape, maybe impressing that person we just talked about. But then, look at the other side. That's your reality. Endless scrolling, zero actual progress. And yeah, being ignored. See that giant gap in the middle? That's where your potential is going to die every single day. So what is creating this huge disconnect between the life you want and the life you have? What's the obstacle? Well, it's not some big mystery. It's probably in your hand right now. It's time to identify the enemy. You know, we throw around the term phone addiction all the time, right? Like it's some kind of passive thing that just happens to us. But that's not what it is. Let's redefine it. It's not a condition. It's a weapon. A weapon that you are using to assassinate your own potential. And that's the key takeaway here. Your phone isn't just a neutral little tool. No way. It's an assassin. And its mission? To kill your dreams, to destroy your focus and your drive. And let's be honest, right now, it's probably winning. So how do you fight back? You don't fight an assassin by, trying to be more mindful or setting a little screen time limit. That's a joke. You fight an assassin with a counter mission. You need a precise, hardcore plan. This is the Assassin Protocol. And please, forget everything you've ever heard about finding balance with your tech. Balance is a compromise. It's an excuse to stay comfortable and average. We are not aiming for balance. We are implementing a protocol, a strict set of rules you follow, no questions asked, for one single purpose: to win. Okay, so here's the method, and it's actually pretty simple. 3 steps. First, you choose your mission. Don't just say, I'm going to study. No, say, I'm going to work on this for 90 minutes straight. That's a mission. Second, eliminate the target. Don't just put your phone on silent. Get it out of the room. Banish it. And third, disarm the web. Get something like a newsfeed eradicator for your computer. Mission, elimination, disarmament. That is the protocol. All right, so we've laid out the problem and we've got the protocol to fight back. So what's left? The choice. And this isn't really about your phone anymore, is it? This is about your identity. It's about who you are. Are you average or are you an assassin? Look at these 2 paths. This is it. On one side, you have the average. This person is easily distracted. They're always filled with this kind of nagging regret, and they just let life happen to them. Then, on the other side, you have the assassin. This person has unbreakable focus. They're actually proud of what they do. They are actively creating their life. You have to decide right now which one of these is going to be you. And that's really what it all boils down to. The protocol itself, it's simple. It's not complicated. The plan isn't the hard part. The real question, the only question that matters, is are you simple? Are you going to follow it? Or are you going to make excuses? The choice is all yours.
If this helped you, follow Cheat Grades.